Unlocking English. Adverbs of degree versus adverbs of manner. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we are going to delve deeper into the world of adverbs, specifically focusing on adverbs of degree and adverbs of manner. It's a common area of confusion, but with a little practice and clarity, you'll be using these adverbs like a pro. First off, let's clarify what we mean by adverbs of degree. These are adverbs that modify adjectives, verbs, or other adverbs to tell us how much or to what extent. Examples include very, quite, almost, to, enough, hardly, and many others. For example, he is too tired to continue the journey. She was very excited about the concert. Remember, adverbs of degree help to express the intensity, degree, or manner of the action. Now, let's talk about adverbs of manner. These adverbs describe how something is done, meaning they modify verbs to provide more information about the action. Some examples are quickly, slowly, carefully, well, and hard. For example, she ran quickly to catch the bus. He plays the guitar well. So, adverbs of manner give more detail about the way in which an action occurs. The confusion between these two types of adverbs often lies in their interchangeable use in sentences. For example, the adverbs hard and hardly can cause confusion due to their similar form but different meanings. Hard is an adverb of manner. He works hard means he works with a lot of effort. Hardly is an adverb of degree. He hardly works means he does not work much. Another tricky pair is enough and well. Enough is an adverb of degree. She doesn't work enough means she does not work to a satisfactory level. Well is an adverb of manner. She works well means she does her work in a good or satisfactory way. And there you have it. We've now explored the differences between adverbs of degree and adverbs of manner. Remember, adverbs of degree tell us about the how much, while adverbs of manner give us more detail about how. Keep practicing, and you'll get the hang of it. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more videos to help you master the English language. Happy learning!